Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best 4K drone in 2026 for aerial photography, travel videos, or cinematic footage, this video is for you. Today we're counting down the top 5 best 4K drones that offer great camera quality, long flight time, and smart GPS features. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Holy Stone HS790 GPS 6K Camera Drone. At the number 1 spot, we have the Holy Stone HS790 GPS drone, one of the most powerful drones on this list. This drone features a 6K camera with a 3-axis gimbal, delivering incredibly stable and high-resolution aerial footage. Whether you're capturing landscapes or creating cinematic shots, this drone provides professional-looking results. It also supports 4K video recording at 30 FPS, which ensures smooth and detailed video quality. Another impressive feature is the 9-kilometer transmission range, allowing you to fly farther while maintaining a strong video signal. The drone also includes AI Night Shot, AI Quick Shots, and Follow Me mode, making it perfect for content creators and adventure filming. With up to 60 minutes of total flight time, you'll have plenty of time to capture stunning aerial footage. Pros: powerful 6K camera with 3-axis gimbal, long 9-kilometer transmission range, advanced AI shooting modes, excellent flight stability. Overall, the Holy Stone HS790 is the best choice for high-quality aerial photography and professional drone footage. Number 2. New upgraded professional 4K drone with 3-axis gimbal. Coming in at number 2 is this upgraded professional 4K drone designed for serious drone users. It features a 4K HD camera with a 3-axis anti-shake gimbal, delivering extremely stable and smooth videos even while flying in windy conditions. One standout feature is the 360-degree obstacle avoidance system, which helps prevent crashes by detecting obstacles around the drone. It also includes a tablet touchscreen controller, making it easier to control the drone and view your footage. The drone offers an impressive 5-mile control range and up to 84 minutes of total flight time with 2 batteries. It also supports time-lapse shooting, payload release, and high wind resistance, making it great for creative aerial filming. Pros: 3-axis gimbal for smooth footage, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, very long control range, long 84-minute flight time. This drone is perfect for users who want advanced features and professional flight performance. Number 3. Holy Stone HS360S GPS 4K drone. At number 3, we have the Holy Stone HS360S, a compact and lightweight drone designed for portability. This drone weighs only 249 grams, meaning in many regions it can be flown without special drone registration. It comes with a 4K UHD camera capable of capturing clear photos and smooth video footage. The 10,000-foot control range gives you plenty of flying distance for outdoor adventures and travel filming. It also features brushless motors, which provide better durability, quieter operation, and smoother flights. With GPS support, the drone includes helpful features like Smart Return Home, Follow Me, and Waypoint Flight, making it easier to control for beginners. Pros: lightweight and travel-friendly design, good 4K camera quality, reliable GPS smart features, long control range. The HS360S is a great travel drone for beginners and casual drone enthusiasts. Number 4. Holy Stone HS720E GPS drone. At number 4, we have the Holy Stone HS720E, one of the most reliable drones for beginners. It features a 4K camera with electronic image stabilization, or EIS, and a 130-degree wide-angle lens, helping you capture immersive aerial footage. This drone uses powerful brushless motors, which provide smoother flights and longer durability. With 2 batteries included, you get around 46 minutes of total flight time, which is great for extended shooting sessions. It also supports Follow Me mode, GPS Auto Return Home, and 5 GHz FPV transmission for smoother live video streaming. Pros: stable 4K video with EIS, durable brushless motors, reliable GPS safety features, good flight time. The HS720E is a solid and dependable drone for beginners who want stable 4K aerial footage. Number 5. N11 PRO GPS drone with 4K camera. Finally, at number 5, we have the N11 PRO GPS drone, a great entry-level drone packed with useful features. This drone comes with a 4K UHD camera that captures clear aerial photos and videos. One of the biggest highlights is its 90-minute total flight time, which is impressive for a drone in this category. It also features 5G FPV transmission, allowing you to watch live video on your smartphone while flying. The GPS system enables helpful features like auto return home, follow me mode, and precise hovering, making it easier to control for beginners. Pros: long 90-minute flight time, good 4K camera quality, beginner-friendly GPS features, easy to fly. Overall, the N11 PRO is an excellent budget-friendly drone for beginners. Thanks for watching our video on the top 5 best 4K drones in 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, buying guides, and the latest gadget recommendations. Also, check out the links in the description to see the latest prices and deals on all the drones featured in today's video. Let us know in the comments which drone you liked the most, or if there's another drone you think deserves to be on this list. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.